In this episode of 5 Minutes AWS, we're going to explore 9 AWS services that you probably don't know. Before we dive into each of these services, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join FAUN. FAUN is an effortless and straightforward way to keep up with technologies such as AWS. Simply join faun.dev/join and choose the topics you'd like to follow. Each week, you'll receive an email with the best tutorials, tools, and resources about the selected topics. Let's start. AWS RoboMaker. AWS created a service to run, scale, and automate robotic simulation called RoboMaker. It is a cloud-based simulation service that allows robotics developers to run large-scale and parallel simulations with a single API call. AWS DeepRacer. This service is a fully autonomous 1/18th scale race car driven by reinforcement learning models, built for developers who want to participate in the AWS DeepRacer League. Basically, Amazon created a global autonomous racing league driven by reinforcement learning, called the AWS DeepRacer League. Through it, developers can participate in online and live races against other competitors and track their progress on a global leaderboard. The goal of the platform is to make reinforcement learning more accessible and to provide a fun and engaging way for developers to learn about the technology. Amazon Open 3D Engine. An Apache 2.0 licensed, multi-platform 3D engine that enables developers and content creators to build AAA games, cinema-quality 3D worlds, and high-fidelity simulations without any fees or commercial obligations. AWS Honeycode. Honeycode is a fully managed service that allows you to build powerful, web-based apps without writing any code. It simplifies manual tasks by allowing organizations to customize tools without the need for programming skills. In other words, it is a no-code app builder. Amazon Lookout for Vision. This is mainly a service that uses machine learning to analyze images and detect defects or anomalies. For example, a manufacturer of printed circuit boards can use this service to automatically determine what is missing in the printed circuit boards based on the absence, presence, or placement of objects, such as a capacitor. Amazon Kendra. Powered by machine learning, users can find answers to their questions faster with this intelligent enterprise search. The service helps in easily finding the most relevant information across multiple data sources. AWS Lightsail. Do you remember the time when you were using a VPS to deploy your applications? Well, in addition to cloud resources and EC2 machines, Amazon Web Services also has a VPS service. It is cost-effective and comes with pre-configured stacks, such as the LAMP stack. AWS Neptune. Amazon Neptune is a fully managed database service built for the cloud that makes it easier to build and run graph applications. Using Neptune, developers can build and scale serverless graph databases for their most demanding applications. AWS Snowball. If you are moving to AWS and want to use services such as S3, you can use this petabyte-scale data transport device to move extremely large amounts of data to the cloud without any worries. Are there any uncommon AWS services we missed in the list? Share your thoughts in the comments section. That was 5 Minutes AWS. See you tomorrow.